kusupport huo mradi. Tafadhali naomba muandikishe katika
Senator wa Nandi Samson Cherargei muthiriti wa hakwi wa munini wa president ni worendaga minister wa ugitiri Dagitari Fred Matiang'i, munene wa borithi, komanda wa ruhonge rwa urangiri wa wabici ya president na commandant wa maabitha GSU makinye mbere ya bunge gutariria kiria gitumite munini wa president acenjanirio arangiri yake na namba ya wega kunderio.
Bunge iko na uwezo ya kusummon Inspector General of Police, CS wa Interior Matiang'i, Presidential Escort Commander, GSU Commander, pia kusummon Interior PS Kibicho akuja aelezee bunge ni kwa nini anahadharisha maisha ya wale VIPs wetu including the Deputy President.
So yeye hakuna bahali anaenda. Wale ambao wanataka wavumilie kukaa na yeye mwezi 11. Mjue vile mtakaa na yeye, mjipange hiyo mwezi 11.
No munini wa president augite ati gwita maabitha nene a ruhonge rwa ugitiri kumoria ciuria citari na muthingi ni undu wa gute mahinda. Ndumiriri-ini yake kuhitukira akaunti yake ya Twitter, Ruto augite ati ni iganire na maabitha ruhonge rwa wathani aria arareheirwo tondu githomo kiao kia urangiri ni kia gikiro kia iguru ota kia Aruna wa GSU. Munini wa president arenda bunge teithiriria ruhonge rwa ugitiri kugacirithia mitaratara ya kurehe thayo wa gutura kuria aici a mahiu makoretwo makiagagia muingi.
The security of the people who are being harassed and terrorized by bandits and cattle rustlers is as important as that of any other citizen, including the Deputy President.
Muthenya wa ira munini wa president ni aranyitire ugeni maabitha erwa aria mararangira muciĩ wake wa Karen na maranyuanira cai ofisi yake kinyitirira ati ruru ni ruri rwa kuonania ati Ruto ndari na henwa o ciothe na mogaruruku maria mekitwo urangiri-ini wake.
Tafadhali bunge la taifa la Kenya, mimi nawaomba wachaneni na kupoteza muda wa bunge kujadiliana sijui ni askari wa GSU watakuwa kwa DP ama ni askari wa AP.
CS is doing the work which has been given by the president, and if the deputy president feels that he is being shortchanged, let him talk to the president. I think the president is the right person, not Matiang'i.
Let the DP look for the president, let him engage him and let them talk. Because when you attack junior officers who work for the president, these officers have no way of responding back.
Thama jine ya maabitha nene ya ruhonge rwa ugitiri, Senator Cherargei no arendaga macokie ciuria cia wagarari wa ihoto cia a Kenya uria wonekanite ica-ini ikuhi ugitongorio ni maabitha a borithi aria kumwe mahuthirite hinya mukiru magithingatithia mawatho makiria ma COVID-19 na Kenya karundo magakua mari moko-ini ma borithi. Ruhonge ruru no rurorotwo ni guthingatithia mawatho ma COVID-19 na njĩra ĩronekana tarĩ ya kĩmenyano. Cira nĩ ũrĩkĩtie kwambĩkwo igoti-inĩ wa kwenda minister wa ũgitĩri, munene wa borithi na commandant wa rũhonge rwa GSU macokerie munini wa president maabitha arĩa othe maramũrangagĩra. Mĩruru wa Waweru na Angela Mwikari merĩte igoti atĩ gũtirĩ gĩtũmi kĩiganu gĩa kũnyihia arangĩri a munini wa president na ciĩko cia atongoria rũhonge rwa ũgitĩri cigĩte mũtũrĩre wake ũgwati-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.